Linda Kwabena so huba.
It's here be an abokode.
No Kwabena.
Well, quickly, my member we ntwam mo amode nam social media.
Kwabena meba. O shirt no.
Yeah.
Efe pa.
Ya ka se fa pa ka asema.
Yeah. Naka say Omanhene Kwabena Asante shirt no. Efe pa.
Okay.
It's a Ghana month no na ede. Ojina mu afan.
Shirt atade entintan. Ayo, the bet you what you need. You know, the Nyamias is on the chair after 65 years Ghana. Yenka Musa, Ebia Pace, I did corona, Enye Papa. Are you a meeting for Nibia Mount Ghana for you subine from a Kwame Nkrumah person, Pimineno, and a minute, some for Nina Metrachron. Now, I feel swimming for to just say Ghana Web for I don't know how they managed to say sector minister chieftaincy radiator safeno sa
Kwabena anapai
cross check
yate 6 a.m. major news bulletin
anything death
on a radio station
anything death you have to double cross check double cross check and so there you will be other ones can be forgiven retracted but no oh yeah, emphatic say obi ewu. You know, if you talk about Ghana Web now, Ghana Web to choose obi ewu when it's not true. You know, and major politicians from the other side ran a commentary about by-election. No man na yetima ya dwene ni ebi bia ni ensusu nyina we are a bunch of pretenders and cowards. So it is a bunch of pretenders and cowards. We have not solved problem as if say a young can problem. And you pretend this year but it's fake. There's too much fake in the system. Fake there too much. Amanyo say baby adi akika kon enye
ye hu an ye no sere.
No enye amanyo say baby adi akika kon enye kra. Now I'm surprised that ebi ma minim so munim nyansa. Ama amanyo sem no destroy. I'm surprised. This morning, I'm surprised. They're just acting foolishly. And people are screaming all over. And this is 65 years. And this is 65 years. With a certain mentality and attitude, you cannot cross that 65 near expectation or expectation. And I'm saying for picture and Ghana for Subai. We will do this and come and say Ghana if you do. Ghana Fusibai. Just go and check what is on social Facebook this year on Adom FM. DwasoNsem.
Share Facebook Live this year.
Yeah.
But join your Facebook this year.
This is the attitude of the Ghanaian. Abayan ben na shake na ewo eye efi hu nkomo abayan ben ntu wana mo. Abayan ben ye suni ye ban ne ye no. If you check these pictures sector minister Asenso Boachi Oko Kumasi Garden City. Hey, this is Ghana for you. This is Kumasi Abripo. Insure kakrebetu. And then we nipa krona ye besa babonti be kasa. Asenso constituency no Kumasi Abripo area hodum no.
Bantama.
Make asem choices say. You see I name you say
Bantama constituency.
Ye dey for boni nyina come man yourself for na ya fire wedi. These are the things we have to start talking about. Because Obiti baby can and assist I'm telling you, it's worrying. This is
an eyesore.
It's worrying.
It is.
Na koleye da ya krana ye team every day ye team krana. Ye team krana kwabrane to uregum. Ye team not to uregum. Ye team not to uregum. It's worrying. It's very worrying. Ghanaians should stop that. Ghana's development is not in NDC or MPP. Ekuta yan kasa just that we are party to the MPP and NDC. So we should change our mentality.
No.
It's very unfortunate. When we do this to ourselves, not because I didn't show you that no trouble for me fear, no buy also more money, not surprising the politics. Look at this.
We'll be at a baller when you feel.
That's what I'm saying.
What they better got to
if you are consistently doing this for 65 years and you want Ghana to develop,
no. No.
It
doesn't work that way.
Yes. Until we tackle these things, we cannot develop. So I say, two bejna kikana, the dan obi anope, mobo obi uto.
Nipa won wuyo.
And I'm baby obi asimi sauce. Ghana. How can you be so cheap like that? We have no mama jumana cry here the crown. You are so cheap. a noble profession like the journalistic work. Obiate that's a brand no man across the competition to break the news. Please, unnecessary rivalry in this media space. Oh, the idea. Oh, now I could break you do fake news by and I want we are the best now. Nsem bia na yesoso radio news. Nsem fata. The ebemo man na kasam puntu edi mo awie pay no de. We are not talking about it. Okoi hospitals are still issues about bed in hono. A nurse for na doctor for me bua payom empower but omo fa mpa money pa. You go niska and anymore. This is worrying. You can't blame the president for this.
No.
You can't blame the president for this.
The level of negligence
no,
what some of our health facilities.
Some money, obi this no man self attack.
Yeah.
Now they question president, the president. And you so sad from 90. In fact, we share documentary being chroma documentary. The problems that we have faced from this for this country, no, and you.
And then because
we are beneficiaries of the corrupt system. And I call a passer and I will bucho and I ban it. Now one casa who create yes, but sister, no create. Yes, but sister, no create. Your mouth bensa, Ubetim and I go no, never. This is how we have behaved as a country for 65 years.
There's this saying that the challenge here in Africa, and it's the people who have power have no ideas, and those who have ideas have no power.
So unfortunate.
The people who have power have no ideas, and those who have ideas have no power.
So unfortunate. This is Kumasi. Kumasi.
This is disgusting.
Yeah, Kumasi.
She plastic waste.
You know, Kumasi.
In sugar crowd,
you know, say, oh, yeah, we now go MP no so bo. As a subachi and MP facing this challenge, go boys. I know, yes, I already know. As a subachi, can of frata man is Kabia man and Fanyajuma. He works a house or not, was about tiny street, not was unica pre. Can of frata man capres of Fanyajuma. And you know, also, say, oh my Ghana say, and if you are Dokuria, Menumi and I'm a thing at Dokuria.
Yeah.
And sometimes in the assemblies, no, minimum so many power now, we should empower them. Structures cry springing up, or be and so to for assemblies in the sham, yes, these structures is there, you know, so to no chair for you, yes, in that Munyajuma. I don't know why we always want to play that role, second fiddle role. I don't know. On my debut, on my second hand fridge, the crabba. Yeah, that's what say if I'm wrong, mine.
Oh,
crabba.
I'm saying panty. I say no. You crab fiam on the bar.
Pot is here, must need $1. You charge no money now $. Is a pot to cry a common say free charges. You come boo a pot. It's Miss Ramo. 65 years now, we'll go on him see and quiet him. You are so corrupt, so I can't see and quiet him. What would you want him? Me, I make him. So let's not come and sit here and pretend and fake say, and I'll be necessary. There be a gun and punto, you'll be responsibility. Now, way. Ghana and punto is nobody's responsibility. If you brighten the small corner that you are, that's a community. There be a man yourself.
Ghana semia kwa say oba we di mfia duosia nu mu. Ne man nyina aso odeng.
Charlie. Edu baby.
Ma enso man nyina
aso odeng. But edu baby ahomti. I think sometimes you can't. Sometimes you can't get it. Yeah, too much. Na me fa we to ntwam. No man am di we pose for release the buy na. I think say chinwa be braba ho. I pose for no quickly no mama enchiremoni yi na. Em say the omatro go krata asom. Nipa dodo na utitia. As en sheda nto omasom yi. Yenye na be pose for dwom de bit match rage no ho. Enti yesu say bi akrata na aba bonte no. Enti say en we peyo. I pose from na no fanchem. Na fi men kan kire MPP for say. Ye we are NDC for so de beba. Men country MPP for to say, ya bre na enim gwase ana asefem. Say polling station krampo new. And you do regional and national executive and presidential. You be two Ghana. No we are Babetina Ghana. Now, there enim gwase me. It's too early because say the person may describe some of the MPP people now more and miahu do mo yen. It's just too early. Adi enie polling station. Oh, ja, Edibisia.
Kwabena,
I said so much. My minimum says, no, so I can sanitation ministry no more. Special. I chat, man.
Nana Kwesi on Facebook.
Yeah.
Kwabena, this one is for you.
Yeah.
I say, Kwabena Asante, you are not just Bob Okala. You are Okala combined with Bob Santo. Kwabena, I say, as annoying as Omanhene Kwabena Asante can be, I miss him with his Takashi. Nana Kwesi.
Nana, I see you. I see you. Nana, I see you.